What's up, guys? JJ's Club here. Um, I'm gonna say that more often when I start using this channel. This is gonna be my second channel. I'm sorry I didn't record on this channel for like three or 2 days because I've been sick. I've been sick a lot. I've been sick around those days, so I couldn't really record. I'm sorry about that. But this channel right here, it will be awesome, trust me. You just have to give me some time. I'm gonna do the Windex challenge. Not real Windex, Powerade prank. I did it too on Saturday. I did the Windex prank to my great gram. And I didn't catch it on video because they don't like to be recorded. But this time I'm gonna do the prank again. I'm gonna try to record it to my other gram. She lives around this place. She lives outside of there, you know. So, yeah. It's still a mess in here. It's nighttime. It's 4:20 a.m. and I got school. I don't think I'm going to school today because I have to go to one of my appointments, my doctor's appointments, to get checked up. Well, I might go to school today, I don't know. Yeah, so the Windex prank to my gram. When I got there, I got the Windex out. Say, I'm gonna do the Windex challenge. And they said, you better not. And I just went out. Then my uncle came. And he's telling me drinking it. And he just gave me this weird look. Like, what did we tell you? Don't drink that. And like 10 minutes later, I told him it's just a prank. My grandma was like almost flipping out. Almost crying at the end. I feel bad about that. My kitty cat. We have 14 cats and one dog. Help us. That's why this house is a mess. By all these pets we have. It's freezing outside too. It's like 7 degrees outside. It's still nighttime. So freezing. It's freezing. Yep, but ouch. Yeah, so give me a couple days. More videos will be fun. Right now this one is like a video chat. I don't know what to name it yet. And can't wait to prank my gram. My gram lives right down that road. She lives down that road down there. See the window behind me? She lives down this road. Like maybe 5 houses down from here. But my great gram, she lives I don't know, miles away. The cat's scratching on there. And my hair is a mess. I wasn't sleeping. I wasn't sleeping good at all. Like I stay up all night and I sleep in the day. Hey! Hold on a second. I'm back. I'm in a different room. I'm in my kitchen. Cats are jumping up. 2 cats. So, I got like really nothing to say, so I might end the video. Maybe I might do the Windex prank either today or tomorrow. Depends how I feel, cause I'm sick. Got diarrhea bad. Been throwing up, dizzy, stomach hurts, chills. Feels like I'm gonna die. It feels like it, you know? Like, you got sick bad. It feels like, sometimes it feels like you're gonna die. I hate that feeling. So, Windex. I keep saying that because I'm excited at how well she'll react, and I really hope I can get on video to show you guys it. Yeah. The cat right here is like, it's going to trip me because the cats keep walking under my feet. What the heck is that noise? Like I hear. What a noise. It's like, it sounds like, I don't know how to explain it. It's like banging around this area. Outside or upstairs. I don't know. Might be a ghost. My dog. Lady. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. That's my dog, Lady. We call her Piggy Puppy. Because she snores like a pig. And she's a puppy. Not really a puppy no more. She's an old puppy. So sometimes we call her Toilet Licker because she licks the toilet. It's crazy. Well, I'm gonna end this video. I might do a video again today. It's 4:28 a.m. Today's Monday. So sounds like my dog is farting. But she is like giving her a bath. Well guys, I'm gonna get out of here. Make sure you like, favorite, comment, subscribe. Like, give me some comments. Like, what do you want me to do? Like, I'll try to do them. Alright. Peace.